My name's Brian Bolland. I was born in Freeston in 1951 and spent most of my life, school years, living in Butterwick. I went to Conway School in the 50s and failed my 11 plus and went to Giles School in Old Leek. And after some O-levels, I went to Boston Grammar School to do three A-levels, English, art and technical drawing. And since I had never had any experience of reading Shakespeare or anything out loud at Giles, I really struggled with that, so I dropped English. Although the English teacher, Stan Cawthorne, we liked him. I liked him quite a bit. I think he was well liked, and he took us for a thing called English Music Appreciation in a sort of side building by the playing field. And I enjoyed that. But also Banger Grimble was the art teacher, and he was very encouraging to me because I then went on to various art schools and into a career in commercial art, which you may or may not know about. I have here the yearbook for one of the years I was there. And also I have to plug this because this is a book I wrote and illustrated, and all of this stuff is covered in it, and I'd recommend it to you strongly. So thank you and goodbye.